Hello, my name's David and I want to talk to you about my Instasmile veneers that I got. I've always been very conscious of my teeth. They've been rather crooked, discoloured, a few gaps. I thought, well, now's the time. I'm going to see if I can get something done about it. I went to the dentist. Got to cost an awful lot of money to actually get these veneers done via an orthodontist, via your dentist, and I thought, well, I'm a pensioner, I can't afford that. So I went to Instasmile and got these veneers. Now, this is what my teeth look like. I've only got the top set yet. I'm going to get the bottom set soon. But you can see, look, crooked teeth, bad caps, gap, awful colour. So I got the Instasmile veneers. Now they come in a lovely little box like this. These are the veneers and they just clip in like this. And that's it. And that's now what my top teeth look like. I don't think they look too bad, actually. I've got a better smile anyway. And I thought the family would sort of look at these and think, oh dear, what's he gone and done? But my wife is absolutely gobsmacked, to coin a pun, about these. And she says they look brilliant. My daughter loves them as well. My wife's actually thinking of getting some. But this is what I smile like now. A lot better, I think. So if you're thinking of getting veneers, go down the Instasmile route. Instasmile. Brilliant.